Hey, hello again, everybody. This is Ralph back with another video. And in this one, I want to talk about how you can come up with creative ideas for social media content and YouTube videos when you're just feeling like you're out of ideas. And I know how it goes. Sometimes we get writer's block or creator's block. We can go for like days or weeks just feeling like we don't have any fresh ideas of new material to come up with for promoting our opportunities. And in affiliate marketing, this can lead to you spending days or even weeks or months just not cranking out material like we really need to in order to keep our material, our products and services in front of our audiences on social media. And what I have here in this video are 3 suggestions to what you can do when you're facing like writer's block or creator's block in coming up with social media and YouTube ideas. The first one is taking a look at your opportunity, your program, whatever you're selling, and checking out the FAQ section. This is something that a lot of people overlook. But in the FAQ section, the frequently asked questions, you can come up with a lot of creative ideas for posts, for videos, for content that you can create online. Stuff that you may not have thought of previously, but just read through the FAQ section and you can find some creative ideas for new videos, new posts that you can create. What I love about our FAQ section in my business that I promote is that one of the company owners went ahead and did a video for each of the frequently asked questions. And so that not only helps me in creating my own content, watching the videos that are made by some of our key leaders, but it also gives me something that I can use in email marketing. Because a lot of times, people will ask you questions about your product, your opportunity, that thing that you're selling, and maybe you don't know how to reply, how to respond. Well, if your company has a frequently asked questions section, and they've made videos addressing each of those frequently asked questions, you can just grab that link, shoot it off to the people on your email marketing list, and give them the answer that they need to know. So yeah, kind of a double one there, but the frequently asked questions section. Don't just overlook that. A lot of people will kind of gloss over that section in their opportunity or their program, and you can find a lot of good material there to help guide you and inspire you in your marketing efforts. Second one is to follow the key leaders in your industry and just see what they're putting out, just to see what they're doing as far as their social media posts and their YouTube videos. Does not mean that you need to copy them exactly, but let their material be an inspiration for you. A lot of times, again, in my company that I promote, our leaders are very active, both in the community and also on Facebook. And one guy I follow on X, he's not very good at doing X. I think I'm one of the few people that interact with him. But I mean, he is inspirational in many other ways, and he's very popular on YouTube. And I will get ideas from him, from his content and the way that he presents himself. And then what I will do is I'll take his basic ideas for personal inspiration and then do it my own way and just add my own personality to it, put my own twist on it, and come up with information and material that way. So yeah, follow key leaders in your opportunity and see what they're putting out there on social media and YouTube, and let that be your guidance and your inspiration. And again, don't copy it exactly, just add your own spin to it and make it your own little baby. And the third tip that I have here is to look at social media trends and use that as more guidance, more inspiration. And it will help you kind of kick yourself up in the algorithm a little bit. But yeah, see what's trending on social media. A lot of times I will follow other key leaders outside of my organization, and I will follow them on X and on Facebook. And a lot of times, I would say on a daily basis, actually, I will be reading something written by somebody from another affiliate marketing company or network marketing company, and that will inspire me. And it'll be a really good piece of information, one that I can take and use in my own particular way. Again, not copying it exactly. And if I do copy it exactly, I'm sure to give credit where credit is due. But I allow these posts that I read on social media to inspire me to create my own content. And a lot of times, somebody will be sharing something that they thought up, or something that they're quoting from Jim Rohn or some other famous entrepreneur. And I will look at that, think of a response, and then add my own twist to that post, and then just go back and rewrite it in my own voice, adding my own insights to that old material. So yeah, not only should you follow key leaders in your own organization, but also look at other people in your industry. If you're in affiliate marketing, follow affiliate marketers from other companies and see what they're up to, see what they're talking about. If you're in network marketing, follow other network marketers from other organizations and see what they're talking about. But let their material guide you and get you over that writer's block. Because if you allow writer's block to stop you, there's no telling how long you may stay stopped. A lot of times I have heard of people that have just hit a brick wall in content creation and have stayed there doing nothing for weeks and even months. And if you're marketing, that is a bad place to be, because you want to be active. And along those lines too, I have a bonus tip. Now, this is something that I don't like doing myself, at least very often, because I do like variety. But I have seen successful affiliate marketers and network marketers go on YouTube every single day and just do the exact same video over and over and over again, day after day after day, because they believe it's important to be putting a video up there every day, and they don't care if they repeat themselves. And sometimes in marketing, repetition can be good, because think about how many people actually see your videos on YouTube, even if you're promoting them to your email list and your social media followers. A lot of times, at least the stats that I see on my account, they're not very impressive. And I do know that they're not very accurate either. I do know that I have actually more people watching my videos than YouTube gives me credit for. But none of us do a good job at reaching every single person with every single video. So if you take the important stuff that you want to get out there online and on the internet, and just go ahead and repeat it on a daily basis. And if you do that, at least that keeps your content creation going. It keeps your mind operating. And what I usually find works for me is that when I start doing a video, I will have a certain idea that I want to focus on, that I want to talk about. But as it gets going, as I start getting more comfortable doing the video, making the presentation, a lot of times new material will creep in without me really being consciously aware of it a lot of the times. And I will end up with a video that I made that really was not the video that I intended to make when I first started out. So the key factor here to remember is, even if you feel like you are repeating yourself, making the same video day after day after day, you will start adding more material to those videos, add different little nuggets of information with each video that you make, and it will make the video different enough to where you're not exactly repeating yourself, but you are getting the information out there to a wider audience, and it does keep you sharp in your video making skills and will help improve yourself more so than you would if you just stopped making videos for like weeks or months. And I mean, there's no progress to be made following that path. So, yeah, even if it feels like you have to make the same video on a daily basis, I would say go ahead and do that. Yes, I do like variety. I think variety is the thing that it's definitely the thing I aspire to in my own content creation. But if your search for variety shuts you down as a content creator and leaves you stuck for months or even weeks at a time, then there's a lot to be said for just doing the same thing over and over again until you finally get it right. And the thing about making videos on a daily basis is that in the beginning, you may feel rusty. You may feel like you're really not up to doing the job. But if you keep doing it on a daily basis, your video creation skills will start getting better. You will start to show improvement, and you will start to grow your audience on YouTube or wherever else you are active. So yeah, don't be afraid to do the same video over and over again. I mean, if it kind of helps you work through that writer's block problem, and it does keep you current on YouTube and other forms of social media. So there you have it. 3 content creation ideas and a bonus tip. Definitely make sure that you check out the frequently asked questions section of your opportunity, because there's a lot of gold nuggets in that section. Because, yeah, your key industry leaders, the people behind your program, have put a lot of effort into answering questions that are commonly posed to them, and it will help give you a boost in your own marketing efforts. So don't overlook it. And if you would like to see what I do by way of affiliate marketing, I am part of an affiliate marketing school, teaches you how to do affiliate marketing and network marketing, and it pays 80% recurring commissions. So you make 2 sales on any of our levels, and that level is free to you. And it is affordable. It's very much packed with quality gems, quality training, quality tools. And so if you'd like to check it out, just go to my main affiliate link, which is ralphshomebiz.com. And that link will be in the program description down below. Okay, until later, this is Ralph signing out. Have a great day. Talk to you later, and keep creating that content. Bye-bye. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.